what's up? You got Mark here. We're back in Gardiner on this garage project. You see what we're doing is putting our I-beam together with our 2 posts that go inside the garage. You can see over here we have one set already. It's all set and level, so what we're doing is we're going to do the same thing to this one. We're going to put it together and then sling it right in place. So just keep watching us put it together. Hey, you got Mark here. We're in Gardiner, right? So we got one steel beam in. We set it, plumbed it, got it square. We got a strap just kind of holding it. So what we do is now we're setting this one here behind us. Took our measurements, squared it up, and now we're just going to make sure that we're the same height. Pretty exciting. We got framers over here laying out our plate, our nailing plate, and then we're going to start framing this thing. So anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the nice cold show we got going on here for you. He's in the machine doing my job. What we're doing is putting a little bit of touch on here just to plumb this, to hold it, while we're going to plumb the post. So we're going to see how much of a touch Ray's got. Ray, throw it out. Take your bucket, throw your bucket out. There you go, that's it. Our Milwaukee hammer gun cordless, got a vacuum attached to it. So as we drill these holes, it's pretty sweet. Keeps we got to get all the holes clean because we're going to put an epoxy in this to hold the pins in place. So what we have here is a Hilti. It's a 2-part epoxy. Kind of gets mixed right in the nozzle. We drilled our holes. We made them nice and clean. Put our tip all the way in. And then as you activate it... Sorry, I got a little tray. I used some of this earlier. And then I just force it. You'll see it come out here. It gets mixed. You can see it get a little dark right there. It's going in. And then you just kind of, as you fill the hole up, you just kind of back it out and it comes right up to the top. And you set your attachment here and you'll see the epoxy come all the way out to the top. That's what you want. Now this is a little overkill because in this application, in this building, there's 3 inches of rigid concrete, rigid insulation, and then there's 6 inches of concrete radiant in it. So all this is going to be covered and encapsulated with concrete. We just let that harden up for a little bit. It's amazing how fast this stuff hardens. And then we just crank these down in place and hold it all together. The framing of the building will hold everything together. And then once we pour concrete, these things will be rock hard. So that's how we install the footings on these I-beams and these trusses here. All right, so we got everything set. Right now what we're doing is just putting some cross bracing in. This is temporary. So first we had to have a discussion for an hour on what size strap to use because Ray's here. And Ray likes to make sure everything is overly protected. So put some strap on there just to kind of hold it together. Setting this pin, screw it to keep it from racking. That's the big deal. That's what's going on. In nice frozen ground too, by the way.